efra na aboa na bibia enso etimi adada dinti no ne entra na nkoma ye ba bedi no edoso ye papa ne nyina mo ne ye betransia ye adwuma na abafo bi adaroma ene ye baba betram ye adwuma no etimi edi ema obo heba a medical research center sementonsa enfro zebra na abra be ruamo mahwe ne beboa na ne ma da ye pretimi era ma ne eba na koma no ho nsensema omo na ebehwe ne etu anamo edi adwuma na aboa na nso no wanko ankonya ha bia ewo akoma no ho na de etie ne se wa hyase na onyenyenyen sunsuanso bia ma na boto na tu anamo a ebeboa na ebibia de da ye pa etimi edi ama anyesa na ekọ akwakofa ha okese pa etimi edi abrona munkomo no enene se yesi owa uti ne pai wo ga na cheza pai wa ato so a wa ya nyade sade no ejai ubonse ewa na yesi wakoma no ebo pai isa na mujabro so edi no ho etimi agimina bonse ananse no eta chichecheche ope na wa unse 1-2 anamon bia ede ha okese pa na eba etimi aba be bronti oze ne no utu anamon na romo bo heba en obo heba in medical research center ne ebo anya no nko amonse ne ba na hepatitis diabetes sene opeba onyebi inami aye na ne no edu nya typhoid du nya okinimu ana fe osa ene ne ma odo na ehwe etimi etu ase opo mo ado ato adomanu last stop no na jeze bebi asof ma meton ne dokro no mene no ene di enwe amubo adwuma joda eko kokosi memenda anope bia no nso abokoram se no numbebo etimi era pai mu no na cheso mu ye adwuma so nti form number no na ka ha na ya wa hwentu ana ma dabi no na baba be we 50 number no 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 na 0249 761 508 0249 761 508 ni amwa na hye ko yie pa entimi emfa emana fa number we na fato ni nyina ene ze dani de nyina no ye bomode transform na no kono na boy dia pa mu a Sompa sika promotion no baba be ramo etimi eramanti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na boa na ne ma de yie pa etimi ediama na rom na resere ne ma no esi etia baako ye 5 Ghana cedi de ma utwa no na likely say wona abomode na sika twitwi ye da so no obana waba bedi na aboa na bibia akoye etimiera ma 5 Ghana cedi obetimi de diska bebre ntifa code no star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na mboa na bibia enkoye kama so no enfama 21st can get otu omudin a na won ze Ghana omudwom na so papa enya nko a abibrema anado wani chemu wiase afa na nyina dwuma di omudi no eya de adwuma so na se atika ho nkomo ene zenne obo mode nya waya isa no 21st can komo na bre na yetimi aso ano na wagia na so na ne makoye pa etimi edi amom nkomo no ene se yesi se atika no wa transfer ama to asinti no atwetwetwe wa medu bebi a ewra mo sisi echuo bebi ewra mo she echuo bebi debi no wan rentu anama na obaba bebubu na omo na abosa no eri ato a enkofo nam so izanzo maso no ye retimi to asenti ye maame mo aya amukodwa ye papa mo aya amukodwa mo amu ye adwuma aya amotran oche no se wa hyase enye sensusanso na enka echi fama ramo 21st kene komaso ye ne be na ya boa na so egia won na so kreme na ne ma deda ye pa etimi edi amaja kumti azimponi na ne ya so ana de na kwako ramo nsamampom adwuma no okoba dani de nyina kreska 70 se na ne ya ye ba be chwa ma nso no wetimi atra finti ramo 21st aso ye ne amwa na gia na so na ne ma deda ye pa etimi emfa emanya no nko yesi nya wa wodo no froti so eba besu na ase no ombre no mo aboa na we gia na so ebi tize na hypertension stroke diabetes no ena afi ya ye nkiti bi awo wachi no ni nyina be boa na we gia na so kreme na de wo ye no wetimi akwa omo laba ye be doso so bebi aye ne hye na yetimi aso ano ena afi scan services no enso koso ade huhia so betwa scan no omo abre ne ejam ne etwa etimi era mama kase Friday bia after ejuma no to fa ho ye ma special massager ebuana ne gian na so na ne ma deda ye pa etimi era ma after no ye the machine treatment no ebesa ka ho more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ebo ejuma Kumasi ehwe overseas junction on Bena Radio oboase cancel Tesco junction bi nyomo Accra Dome market no unyomo na fesunyane omo eye ejuma nkranza ne techi ma bibia omo bo ejuma wo wiase afa na bibia anampo Ghana bibia na mana me de ba betudwa no fa na ne omo eni nkomo ezanzen kofofia ma no ne ba jo ma yarisa na wo Ghana ne no yaye ni dunya no eni so trauma ni kun fa number no 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 niambwa na nhyehyɛ no koyie pa entimi emfa ema na ntetemso ma men konsenu a miramo ewo the Black Queens of Ghana o masoye na ye ni nkoma akra ni nyina so ramo the Black Queens of Ghana o masoye a yere a yeguso boabo on se wafko no ye betimi enya northern na qualification no na yakwaku jama boedwuma aboama ne mada ye pretimi ramo man Ghana na sere nhyehyɛ no esi etie no o mabomode a o match no nsesem no yetimi era on totoye no etimi aba etinyambo chena 3:30 p.m. pepe wa Accra Sports Stadium no Ghana yebe host Namibia and here the first leg ejepene etimi eromuna nema adda the afternoon na brother on the 5th December 2023 no orwani HMO Lucas Moripe Stadium and also on Namibia no 3 p.m. no yebo modena return encounter no akwa kurom na aboa amanema deda yepa etimi era mentini no 2024 WAFCON final qualifier eroma Ghana yeres yebe secure qualification no na yabo modena mano mobo no yetimi nya no na bibia ada ye pretimi ediame no so no niema deda niema the vice president edema Ghana Dr. Mahamudu Baumia and afiso no the sports minister omoko kokura mobotema ni nyina na se project ye say bibia deda dia African Games no Accra 2023 erom next year no yebetimi ahosti na abo amanema da ye pa etimi ramena na montu no omoko kokotu ye no afternoon command na etimi so the vice president edema Ghana Dr. Mahamudu Baumia ebomode didi nkoma akra na say na vice president ebomode an nkomo no odijo botema project ni no omo eyewo.
Next 100 days are crucial for all of us and marks a point of no return for the country. I wish to pledge the full commitment of government on behalf of the people to ensure that all visitors to the country are secure, enjoy the best hospitality Ghana has to offer, and experience the greatest African next.
Etiano ye command e pimpana bomode atu ajampa o kam obi ate se niema na ekono ye ku anim ensan echi na momomo ye ntutua enkofo ebefi bebi aba be run the African Games no omani beje omozampa Ghana no ye enkofo edonkofo ye papa na enkoko so omani no ebetimi atata na se bobetu eri aka omunsam after no the sports minister honorable Mustafa Yusuf no so no edidi na nkomo akra na nkomo no so di je no se no bomode cheche ni nsemu.
Appeal to corporate Ghana, including multinational companies in Ghana and abroad, not to miss the opportunity, this unique opportunity, to partner us in hosting the best ever games. Join us to make history by coming on board as sponsors, whilst we offer a strong national and continental platform to reach out to millions of Ghanaians and Africa.
Etiano ye command ne no wani chema the sports minister bomode eri tuja so best zenne companies awodo na ewo Ghana omo ya kukuda momo amano no ebe bomode ni o maka bu maba aba be so masen no maboa na games a eba ba be tuja no jumadi no e krabe zanzo ugidie pa zezedi isi ye ntoto ye no ye ne me di gugu na kwan no ebe boa na games no enso etimi e krabe hwe eno ye nkomo bomode etimi ri jaye krobia Kumasi Asante Koroku Iramu Association Football eni niama dedadia oro Chimo CAF or Masuya CAF African Club Association no ACA no ye bomodia ni for the first time omoko ekokushie ni nanse ni yeto aba impinfo ebeboa ada no aboa amasa ku no mate no niama deda dimpa etimi edi ama mu nkomo no anado wani so no echima na chesa IMC no ye bomodia na na prinkra akwisi ewa na chese ni no Emmanuel Nutinda Soberi omo na impinfo ni omoko ekukuru amo Karum Patama Egypt omoko kusi krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko ewo the CAF African Club Association ma omujiri se ebo amanema deda yepa etimi era ma ni abatwa etimi ekos no munkomo no ene president edema CAF Dr. Patrice Muchepi ono a ene bo modi etimi eche yeboa ema elections no ekos ana ye elect executive ebeba bebo amadwumadi no enso etimi ekra behwe no ntie no enkomo kakra etimi ewuramu emuso nsensem no ena omuguso a etrini na ahwe ewie niema ekos no se nhyehyɛ no esi eti omo prepare nyambo Monday omo ni team a ye from Brekum Chelsea ene betimi edi aboani ni nyina no so no eye Ghana Premier League match a Egypt na etimi akoso nturu ani chemu ada koja ache a training na etimi ewurama eboama ne madaye pa etimi edema krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko izanze game a ano edi game a emu be hie papa o Chelsea omo form omo di ewuram ne niam na omo eye na chezampa omo baba bira game no wani bre so a ne nyina mo no omo so eba omo de ane omo training no ewuram eboama ntutu ne ko yie pa etimi edema omo no a ye catch us the MTN Africa Cup oro ani chemu pobima Heartfolk ejom na so ene FC Nania the pride of Paga ene etimi edebo ene ba na we penalties na ya bo Heartfolk de omo atu baby kra emu nkomo no ena ne El Maestro na cheze Abedi Ayupele ejuma pimpa na bo ne niam odi ram no di nkomo akra ere fa togu afede won izanzo kre project o ene niam a opimpa na ye no say no bo modi edi ne nkomo no etimi edify
money in our system, in our football that we play in this country. But if he has put in his own money to help the kids and to ensure that people play the ball that they love and the football that they love so much, I will always congratulate him because nobody wants to put his personal cash into the game today. Nobody wants to do it. So if you see somebody who is doing it, please applaud the person.
Atiano ye command ya Abedi Ayupele na cheze Maestro pomo di etimere tuja otire oka obo togwe afere abaso ye papa izanze ne ya football non conform person mu di omusika ebetimi ahye na so re project awaye ne niam de eguna kwan be opobima hunsampa ade ano edin ye papa nti obebo na baso ze ne wagere atuma sa adwuma di no odi eboama tutu ne ko ye pa etimi edi emomo meba na masen ababa beto ansem no so etimi edi amanamom abe heba clinic mami abe zemen kancho zebra na abra be romo na so ye no mbo na gina una so na ne man ko ye pa emfama biduro nkoten ejuma ma me ne ye na no edin na basbody no dan de nyine romo na so ye wo ye bema wadi ni so a opeso pejam ne mu yedu ehu kofun no ma zampa kwa wo bema mu a obe na wetimi aboanye no nko ene prostate no wo ha kakra e wo no mo hwe na wetimi aso no na loan spend count no o ye de fi na nam ya ye so no adokro ntia mo ho de na abafoma ne nyine obe no waboa na we gina una so na ne ma akuyera ma baby girls na infio no obema baby atwa yopo ne ma be de dadin de ama na so no we gina una so na ntoto no akoye pere ama nam ya ye obe no we etimi de fi na afi bosume so obunsa na e kan adwore no waboa wapeba onye bi obe na wetimi aso ano ade ba ko esama ne dance ye twa ya ye e yare ba ko a egu nkofu ani ma sipa wadu nipam no afi na ba be yi ne ho e yare keto akra e de mama me na obeboa na onso we gina una so na hyehyɛ na koye pa e ra ma na sickle cell won sensem de e me se ne de ade keto akra etimi e de ma na kwada na yesi onyindu bebi obefimu no abe heba clinic ma me ne beboa na kwada no e gina na so na ne ma de yeso etimi e de ama no tuko no sickle cell test no ye scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site or obena apatrapa junction no number no 0243 345392 0243 345392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa nyanhyehyɛ ndeda yie pa etimi afama kama pa maka se esmasi no ɛwɔ so kɔ na kokɔgye drinks a ene ofa bebi a yedidi de hon komo ezanse fena ba ne yedie eno ana abedwama so ankofo ageria tuma omo bubo obobi e mo ma hode sonko a your mixer 5G habama ni duaba na yede aye cafe sembi anim tie beboa na wegyan na so na totoe na koyie pa ere amagara na o ma adwen na da ebenya no grapes no ebo modem ma yam niam no etime ye djuma kama na jensen no eyi ntini mu kra ye mema no emesisi no emu ye din ye papa and feel green tea woman and na ne sade na ma body shape no unya ne kama pa ntime pacho ura mu bebia na so pe energy drinking ko ade amepacho mixer 5G no so oje wa ye djuma den awie okakwa djuma den no ebeboa no we gian na so nye no nko miso fruit drinks so ya ade a eno so ababa be rama so nye bi na agbo a eboa na ntutu na da ye pa etimi rama organic fruit susu na yetimi ede aya emu ede ye pa pe bi orange mango apple pineapple melon and afi grapes etiko na kokojo de ahoho beba fie say ye na aba be dinto na aba esmasi no eno na wo so bo mode de mo a eboa ma hyehye ende da ye pa etimi ede ma antifana man na nkomodi de bia ene mpimfo nini amwa na so no on sentimi enka 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 0558-106348 0558-106348 niambwa na niamande da yepa emfa mama ni Daniel our 21st clinic ehwan overseas subenye bi kind supermarket sister say where bwana onsake bi Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Buakwa obenye bi PNC Ventures Anomanje Taxi Station opposite Charity Hospital Junction no obenye bi Nana Sachi Enterprise orwani chema safo abinchia also VIP car park no ye boa na nema na de ye kama panso no etimi ediama na ntoto no enso akoye so etimi ramantisem no ye to aso a the Bread Power Ghana Premier League derby ezi ade kre Ghana Premier League nema de dia the 13 no matches no ebi betimi ewrama weekend no pe ntoto ya mpinfo etimi ayi no say na esi etie Sunday eduana ebebo heart folk bofo akwata no ebo FC Samates NFC so no Gold Stars ebebo nsu atema Accra Lions ebebo Nations FC Karela United ebo Bichim United Great Olympics ebebo Legon Cities and a Monday Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebo Brekum Chelsea Real Tamale United Mediama yebetwa sensen kakra Panda Out of France Dreams FC no so no yebetwa sensen kakra na eno and a match is to the weekend yeromo ene Baba Hamidu Musa dodo na afene Baba Mando ojamubo ejuma etimiere masama tesini ene no edin come na ebianze mo performance ni gina na so pa na mo wogiri eze league ya yeboyi Samates mu krokra mu se ya betimi age league na obomode a anu yesi na obomode etimi rijai
because oje team ayi kwa na betimi age league no kwa team ayi kwa pa de se imia ehun ena come together na bobo ni pa na imia sama way point bia aw betimi age league no betimi age league no you show me players in pa na me share hard work a mo pa from first to fourth or winning the league is very possible would that be
Kantia no ye command no Baba Hamidu Musa bomode etimi rijai after no I'll send in command credit for my way performance no na sere ni mesi e ko mo kwa we a ya na edin so benya point na see no bomode e kan de chair for way performance no
away games ni de like I say minimum adukunti de aga kama obi art because very hard bia ibisa en sa obi anim reason why but you go to working hard say betimi nya sa away games ni nya points you go to working hard by promise your fans ni say nya butremai promise you mo you be nya away point amount
Eltia no ye command abomode rameboa ma ne ma de ye kama pan so etimi ede mawa ye don command ram na hihye na da ye so etimi ede ama na yemfio na ye konkudi nkoma akra Nurudin Abdul Aziz na Kamura ejamede ma to fokunra na report ne bobo etimi ede ba after the game na fans ni hu oyo waya no on fan ba ko de wanta ni ma ye so sense ne bibribi ne twebo no abizanze asem na nkasa no kra na se ni siete se no bomode hyehyɛ asem. Oh, okay. Eti joining na ohwe sere ne mesikwam ze incident no na ni no asi room ni mama nan kwachi na menhade mama nan kwachi na menhade na asem na nkasa di we na babon tieze nrana ayeyeye we ya to joining na video na obonse enye sa na de na nkasa esi etie ne die ewrama ye fi ode amra medin komo wo mediama so enyambo chena omo ejina kono the CAF Champions League omo any team a ye from Siabelus that ene de ko akwakobo ni na ne coach Ivan Sogestina Doti enafi Theophilus Anoba Baba Bishan Senchofo ne omudin komo yan chance you coach ase de bisa no say preparation so far then no omudi ato na kwamode twen Belus that Boboko no say no bomode no preparation no otimeri jai.
That I want to say is the past is gone. We were in Egypt last Friday and going into the last game. Most of the media, I would say, wrote us off, counted us out, that it was impossible to encounter Al Ahly, especially at their own backyard. But me as a coach, I did motivate myself as well as my team. There was a hope that I was going to at least come back with a point, which we did until the 65th minute. That was where the disaster started coming. So, like I said earlier, the past is gone. My focus is now on the loser. The match is tomorrow. Preparation is ongoing. We have our last training session at 5 p.m. today. getting ready for the task tomorrow. So I am ever ready for the position.
Etiano ye command your bomb de jaye. De e found Chezo go Egypt no nanko for nimzo ye kwaku wiwi no kra but oyebi kakra ekrikra ma city fit minute ne ye sha se ye hye no. Na ye born miensa but etwem or de no ato nechi ne de anim na ye se hwe na o concentrate na ibiza ze belus that team no onimomo na onimomo a de no ken de form say no bomb den etime chechi nsim de form.
Me the last 2 days to go through the gameplay between that against youngest. We've seen a lot. We've gathered some information from their camp, and all that we are doing is I have to look at my team first, how we want to approach the game, and I hope coming back here they will come with different motive. All that I want to say, come tomorrow. I'm not going to predict. It is my mission that tomorrow media will have to carry the game. Whether we will score 2, 3 or 1, at the end of the game, I want to see my team coming up or winning, carrying the day. That is
Etiano so ye komo bomo de tuja jezampa wo hu omo ne yanga no ohu omo ba kroma so ya monitor from afar na won se de nemesity na de hian so no mo concentrate on the team no no na beboa na win bia win ICC bia isi ofo abonsan no na akọ stay no susi awasi uja ofiro na aba bebo na bubu awasi obebo na awu awasi dizo mo win ba ko mienu miensa on ogiri se 3 point no monsa etimi akene bizan the commands baba sports to mo ba ababisi akan wa na the pressure biba eba beto mo so ana no so anu yesi e no bomode etimi adijai.
Me, I commended my boys. They played so well, irrespective of conceding three goals. So coming all the way from Tapa to play as our home ground, there is no pressure on me. Likewise, my team, and come tomorrow, like you were saying, the confidence, the motivation is there. They are sure because a draw tomorrow will count us out. So now I will throw the question to them. They will have to fight. I'm just on the sideline to maybe direct or give them information. But the work itself belongs to my captain and the players, and trust them to deliver.
Etiano ye command ni coach abomo de area to ya jezampa omo be deliver timera man after no experience player na your set up no Theophilus Anoba also did in Komaka na the kind Anoba Kasere for dear motivate your man motivation e camp and after your mobile baby Ramu Kumasa no the best etimi RFI supporters so see and obomo de in common ejai.
You know, life is sometimes like that. You don't always get what you wish for. To play against life, honestly, it was a very good exercise for us coming into our game tomorrow. And if you come to our camp, seriously, I was wondering how and where was my boys getting that motivation from Egypt. We were highly motivated. But this is a very good opportunity for us to even write our names in the history books of that. And trust me, we are well prepared. We are winged lions, and tomorrow everybody will see. I'm urging all Kumasi people and everybody around Kumasi. Now it's not about Medium again, it's Ghana. Kotoko, King Faisal, everybody who is supporting any team, they should come and support us tomorrow. And we are going to deliver.
Etiano ye command ni odi tuja chezampa obo mo campon ahwe ni mo mo ye ntutie no mo de remna chezampa guys no mani abrepa se djuma no mo ko akwakwe no ko no wa onim bebi asa gide omunya from Egypt ade baba be romo Ghana no nti obehye se patamu afo nyina nkambo bebi edu no Ghana na ejina kono na ye mrama meto mo chi na mo amane mande de de fam after no ozanche James o mo ready for the game we game we ni de e wo so mu rom no mo ko ekokubo djuma no eti o man Ghana nim see no bomb the Sunday so
we are really prepared. This is what we came to this show to do, and it's a very big opportunity for every one of us. So we are really prepared. We are training very well this weekend. I assure everyone that tomorrow everybody is going to see different Medium differently from what they saw in Egypt.
Etia no ye command ya to ya diamo china 4 p.m. ye ka ze nyine nkonkonko support your more historical moment mediama against CR Belouizdad a gamer unzampa ano edin pape munsu be de jombe yin support no se ye koku didi wuyu waya na eboama ntutu ende da ye pa etimi edi emo montie no edi ode atudwa ni nyina mo na eboama bibia akoye kama so no etimi edi emo ye nyam de ze wie ya MTN Ghana apomode the Ghana Football Association etimi akobe nkroma ya pomode a 3 years contract extension a Roman female say de anim no the MTN FA Cup no mo din ne beto akoso adaso a na omo abu ejuma asan krekre mama tutu na akoye pa etimi edi amaye tie no ye nkomo kakra ababa betodwa di ramo edi ama games na eka mu no orwani chemo bechima ya ball 17 minutes Bechem United 1 DBB United 0 eno ye score line na ye krekra mu ho no ma eboama ne ma deda ye pa etimi ede ma wo de MTN FA Cup no sam rekro na so no na orwani chemo ewo bibiani Gold Stars so ejom na so any Rose Park enso etimi edi abuani a eno so no entie no niema ebobo ede ba na chese Alex Asu enya go ba ko etimi ede ma bibiani Gold Stars ada game no so no egusu ekoso ebe na hon report ne niema bi ekoso bia no yetimi edi ram kama pa edi amanti mamenko ebe ya for na crowd Michael Zaibo do Michael akomia Jenfi meni o mon shase ndidi di nkomo na yere se de niema siti eme dia akwa ba bi na bi aboko de
mejo so abu dia bi
ye ram kakra me zensem no wate dodo na
yes,
ye ram kakra.
Yes, interestingly, Mediama a game near Yamia Dumochna. Coach Ivan Sadote or Casa out of confidence, and Menene Bayadrin. So Mediama was literally in the game till the 65th minute. Our Mokon CD, which means he says, so Mutimi to Tomonoma year, or Baba Sports Stadium at the end of the day. Or Mitima carry the day at me, I win the game against CS Belouizdad. But if there is one thing I be very important for them, I be Ghana for supporting Naso Baku Remo Honomaka Kota Omachi. Nani Omatima Kuli and when I make us about the importance of say yes supporting some of these things or more Africa and more free Ghana more Africa maybe. Bakupe very important yes so support to Omono Mutimiko Komonima. Your slots will be increased. Your slot needs to increase and now we have more teams. Our Mokakupi more. That means ye ba kwana mi nuclear free ma. Ubenya ba kubi ono so de chira. Ono so bit my bono homo de tima bibi e de amount. Mediama have enough quality. They have the men. And meji to me says so more to to nyoma ye kakra bia. Ombetimi I win all their home games. And Sunday bia away in the crown of my press ombetimi akakonya 1 point B. And our only opportunity ombetimi akakonya 3 points B away. No more dia kwa komanim. So we are all supporting Mediama tomorrow. Ufri Mampon, Ufri Sofia, Ufri Bokrom, baby I want any baby I Ufri Biano. You have to push it and make sure say ubetime remu na wakako support you na bibia timi akoye dia momo. And Mediama Nkasa they play quality football. They play fantastic football. So mo home pa na so no mo free, no mo game you enjoy their game pa. And you understand the quality of players bit said Derek Fojo, Jean Vital Orega, Musa Nuruddin, Hamidou, Wankasa player Kramadini. Where boy brand city bo kruma say now if you come and watch you are not only coming to watch boy sebi enye fan as a time as you are coming to watch quality football. And I think if Ivan Sadote is too experienced say onim the importance of playing home games in such tournaments. And why wouldn't him say Ivan Sadote have a lot to do to make sure at the end of the day Ghanaians will be happy. And I'm sure Mediama will give the game to them. I'm going to see Belouizdad for the power. They will go with them 2-2. And maybe to me say at the end of the day, no, something better will come out. When we come tomorrow about Betenasi about upper Pemu, I think say Abu Dhabi player for player tactics. How Amude Koya Lali, the Omuya Amo Medica Mabeka said their defensive structure was solid. Ochina by heard the Omobeya in terms of tactics. No Abitima picking up Ediama Mediama against Belouizdad. Now Abuma you remove into Ade.
Lije Serosi Kasache tactics money ade no. Sami Judy. Nuzo oba be gina touch screen any ade ya wo ye ne a chena no de me be rua bibia.
Ade tactical.
Tila. That be 80.
I would it.
I was a down for the fifi man friend.
Abu Mamin could even issues. I think say Baba Hamadu Musa. Samatex league, you know, also want to tell me my away games now they can win it. I think I could agree with him some way somehow. But baby, maybe I mentioned that in the full, I mean in the full agreement in here. Almost that and my away win be a bruso. And it started from last season.
Yes.
Summertex home games in Ankasano, they were solid. I think teams on Moko Summertex, Timiko Shomono, it be a Kumasi Sports. Manchester who any club will be also Bura or Sasso in the league. So at home, they are very strong. And Omanya, the crowd, draw crowd almost said to me, can woofy. But we don't know Omokwa, Omutimi Bobone pa, Bomuntimisha. Last season, no Muntimi Bobonesa, but this season, no Mutimi Bobone pa. And I think that they need to back up, and Coach Nuruddin needs to do a lot in making sure Summertex be consistent on their away games. On see our away grounds be Ghana Premier League in ma Abu Dhabi ko on ma o winning game na den pa.
Yes.
A bit is o ko brekum. Akwakofa win very difficult. Doma very difficult. I won't use Accra Sports Stadium. Me use Kotoko this season. What did they mention as no? But more match there. Me so say even unko ho ho no kra no e go mo ye draw masters sanko for ko mo no babo draw sisi e mo no betwe ni mi difficult betem
Sompa sports
and also difficult grounds waso betima shi but then how to you tamale so those grounds first na ke bia kakarela that's where nyina say dia ke betimi dia nyina se so aye dey appeal so but some of these venues you know they are teams are say ba individual quality over player for player Kasama text ni omo na emro so but these are teams so mo making sure so mo feel no so mo bobo a din so betima free baby aba be shop mo de omako ba kusu yesu atre
yes
ituba honoma those places you can match these teams quality for quality but sometimes you need to also pray for luck and make sure so you work luck out for yourself and get goals early who settle or more then you sit back e bi na brekum Chelsea any this season no se brekum Chelsea ba ofie no no wo ba one way either say the first 15 minutes of the first half or even the first 15 minutes of the second half they won't settle you won't settle you no sit back and then as one when you now players ni nyina they will be go animu so a etisi etire so a wasutimi ye Accra Lions susu ye bisa omo fear within the first 15 minutes of the first half, first 15 minutes of the second half, or even the last 15 of the first and second half respectively no omunya wa omo the ball to neta neti ya they will stretch you. So I think Samatex have enough men, they have enough quality, they've been consistent at home, but I expect to see much more character. So more away games are. It looks like omo away games now omo born there by character to win no na to be I said that show mumuzi and draw cry pe. But you have the quality to win such games and you need to deliver. It me sure say Baba Hamadu Musa goes now wash no only free fee. Mama ngasa man nse bi ofie. The ose ofie no on maintain this level no. Na only free fee on fan kwa away. Or kwa away now obetima leader dey am. Because the team is counting on you. Kaya kama muntimi je go dey bia wo. Ivan Sosai Capito is no a goal scorer. What we need Ivan Sosai Capito Ghana League no no obi obama 10 goals and 12 goals a season there be. It won na waba no. E was say wo she ofie no na o movie e kwa away a. Then you take the responsibility and make sure say away games no susu betimi dey ahye. Ni ama me fro home striker. Ghana Premier League what check you go kin no man no mo je no. Omo your home striker.
Omo fie nko ano mo.
Fie nko ano mo goals no. I think last season we saw a little bit from Abedna go tete okwa away a. No akoshe bi no dey aba. So I expect Samatex is some more counting on Baba Hamadu no kasa na dey wo kasa but make sure you also lead the charge and make sure say ball no ya dey mawa away na wo pretum na timi boost you. Then Gold Stars lead by 1-0. Gold Stars ankasa na after say omoka say coach Michael Osei nyina nche no. I'm eager to see the level of performances in our free players in Mudiaba because there is a DBFN shock therapy. See, as a coach, be an as a players in beat me room, moving as a performance in the
coach Munaba
me. Those things need to be see. It was after 1, 2, 3, 4 games, you know. Once I don't know, shall say it. No more to that. But the issue within Baby any Gold Stars team, I expect say actually issues no mess of you and Zakwana Park and the Natwaso. FA Cup no lead by 1-0. Now no league alcohol what make a draw away. A good point. One concede better than how my performing in the previous air matches. And I think say if you have some key players within the setup, maybe they deliver for you week in week out. That game the man or die was so solid for Baby and Gold Stars against Bechem United. Clearance is a hold on, but they need to make sure some pay money na. I didn't acquire Kromamo way more when you say no san your man getting it needs to be sorted out. Almost of unimba. Me ana me found one so be free hand or be free. If you know how to play, you are supposed to play. So nimba and also timibo. So nimbo now a former it was so timibo. You see those things no. Edrume bi on. Ewo Kumasi. Ewo Kumasi. Now him say mom we typically Kumasi guys no mutimi mo kotoko.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah.
Ade.
Obobo team na. Ofilise wabafi.
Fie japa de.
Iti level a we expect say obobo de adru no. As we relax it. Unim say talent no ho pa. But ni trimay de because Kumasi no wo. Owia ebi oya mekom ni boy. Da kotoko version ora ha we be man 10. We be man 50. We be man 80. Sa ano nim say kotoko nya winning kwa no ye Kumasi boy kwa do be fam. Ana kotoko so lusu a he feels he will be protected because the area killers so. Oh we dey nya ono a. Oh we dey nya ono a. The normal probi dey ahye no. Then over the course of time, he change at some point in time akotoko na Kumasi for no we there be. One you know one bona kwere mu no mo aso atimi ayehye. On be pressure. And some of it